Power Automate is an amazing tool, but sometimes learning it can be a bit difficult. That's why this June I'm heading to Vienna, the European Power Platform Conference, for a hands-on Power Automate workshop. And even better, I'm not doing it alone. I'm doing it with Microsoft MVP, RD, and amazing speaker, Gokunas Chivchi.
We will start from zero and make you absolutely a hero into that ecosystem. And we have prepared like more than 8 exercises where we will start from scratch, build a simple flow, and then use AI prompts, use Copilot to create your flows, use AI prompts, use AI builder, try and catch, like even exercises that I couldn't do, you have to explain multiple times. We'll see that hands-on with documentation, everything is ready to make you a superhero within that tool.
If you want to join us, use code VLAD10. They'll give you 10% off the conference, which is pretty amazing. And don't forget to bring your laptop because, again, we want you to do the exercises and we're there to help you make sure you succeed. So, see you in June.